BAE Systems has unveiled a new aircraft design that could be a major advance in stealth technology. The new Magma drone does away with aircraft control surfaces, resulting in an aircraft whose shape remains constant throughout its entire flight. The small demonstration aircraft, which has completed a successful first flight, uses blown air to change direction instead of complex mechanical controls. Most airplanes look unmoving in flight, like a wing hanging off a giant tube plowing through the sky. Look more closely, however, and you'll see smaller parts of the airplane frequently moving to control the direction of the aircraft. Conventional aircraft use a system of elevators, rudders, and ailerons to control their direction in the pitch, up and down, yaw, left to right, and roll directions. These mechanical devices are usually in the shape of control surfaces attached to the rear of the wing, horizontal and vertical stabilizers, and are controlled by the pilot, or sometimes an onboard flight computer. Control surfaces have been an instrumental part of aircraft since the early 20th century. They're large and heavy, and require a fairly complicated mechanism to move them in mid-flight. These mechanisms can and do fail, limiting an airplane's maneuverability, sometimes with tragic consequences. Among the new generation stealth warplanes such as the B-2 Spirit, F-22 Raptor, and F-35 Joint Strike Fighter, control surfaces can also affect an airplane's carefully shaped stealth profile, as the fin-like device moves upward or downward, momentarily making the aircraft slightly more visible to radar.